Hello friends, today we're going to learn about creating emojis for the website. Let's learn how to use emojis and create it using coding. Today we're going to learn about emojis, how to insert emojis into our code and what is the code exactly. Let's learn. So here is a list of emojis which I'm going to create and which you can see a number over here. So there is a number for this emoji and how to use this inside the code I'm going to show. Before that, you're going to write a meta character set here before inside the head so that it shows that it uses this language UTF-8. UTF-8 is the latest one. What is meta character UTF-8? Unicode transformation. That is nothing but it contains ANSI codes and many other languages, so that can be used, and due to this character appears. So this is a kind of characters which holds many characters. So here's the code of this 12856. So let's write as P and close this P. I'm gonna insert this emoji over here. So to insert an emoji, you're gonna write a starting and hash. You're gonna always maintain this thing before writing an emoji. So here's the thing, guys. Copy this code and place this and create this thing. Okay. The same thing happens with this. So same code. You're gonna copy this, paste it, and percent and hashtag should be maintained and a semicolon, guys, to write this. Okay, here's the output. You can see, guys. Okay, I think I missed a hashtag here, so see, guys, we don't need to miss things. So you can see this appears as it is, so you can use it in your languages. You can just give hi in between and you can use your text likewise. That's how it is. So for the code, I'm going to show you this list. You can copy this code and show as it is. If you want some extra or some other emojis, you can search in Google and you will get the code. That's how it's done, guys. Thank you, and do like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.